Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to automate BoldSign document storage in Airtable using Zapier. Airtable is a powerful cloud-based platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with a database, enabling users to organize, manage, and share information in a visually engaging and highly customizable way. BoldSign's integration with Airtable allows users to easily store details of newly completed documents in a centralized location, making organization and retrieval simple. Signed documents are automatically stored as records in Airtable once the integration is activated. This eliminates the need for manual entry, saves time, and reduces the risk of human error. This integration is particularly valuable in scenarios such as HR management and legal firms, where maintaining accurate records of signed documents is essential. With this automated process, organizations can ensure that all important information is easily accessible and well organized, enhancing workflow efficiency and compliance. Consider a scenario where an HR manager has to send employment contracts to newly hired employees and store the completed contract details for future reference. The HR manager prefers using Airtable to organize and maintain records of completed employment contracts efficiently. BoldSign's integration with Airtable automates this process, eliminating the need for manual entry of details from completed documents when one is signed in BoldSign, and minimizing the risk of human error. First, ensure that you have an Airtable account and specify the base you want to store the completed documents. Next, you need an active BoldSign account with at least one completed document. Let's create the Zap. There is a pre-configured Zap template for this scenario. The first step is to access the Upload New Completed BoldSign Documents to Airtable page and click Try this template. This action directs me to the Zap creation page, where I add the Zap title. In the Trigger section, the BoldSign app is set as the trigger app by default, but this can be changed if needed. In the Trigger Event field, Document Completed is the default trigger event. I can also change it to Document Declined, or Document Sent from the drop-down menu. If you don't have a BoldSign account yet, you can still sign up for a BoldSign account using the Sign In. Since I have an active BoldSign account, I connect it and click Continue. In the Configure section, I can search for the required field using the Search field in case of multiple fields. In the Admin Mode field, I select Yes from the drop-down menu to grant full document access, manage permissions, organize files, and automate workflows. I then click Continue and test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. The details of the most recently completed document are displayed. I can also find new records if needed. I click Continue with the selected record to finish setting up this section. Next, in the Action section, the Airtable app is set as the default action app, but this can be changed if necessary. The Create Record option is set as the default action event, but can be changed to create or update record, create records with line item support, delete record, and more. Next, I need to connect my Airtable account. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up and specify the base where you want to store the details of completed documents before you continue with creating the Zap. In this case, I have created an Airtable account and populated the base I want to use with all the necessary details. I then proceed to connect it, select the created base, and grant the required access. Next, I click Continue. In the Configure field, the base and table fields are mandatory. Here, I need to select the base and table where I want to store the details of the completed documents. Upon clicking the base field, the base I specified during the permission setup is displayed, and I select it. Then I select the table where I will store the details of the completed documents. Upon choosing the table field, all the fields in the specified basis table are displayed below. These fields are optional. I map all these fields with their corresponding document details. After completing, I click Continue and proceed to test the action to ensure it functions correctly. If the test fails, an error alert will notify me of the failed test. If it is successful, the details of the completed document are stored in the specified basis table. I then publish the Zap by clicking the Publish button, and the Zap is automatically turned on. Now, when a new document is completed in the BoldSign, its details will automatically be stored in Airtable in the specified base. In the BoldSign account, an employee has recently completed the contract agreement after I created the Zap. Here are the details of the completed document. Now, let's switch to the Airtable account and see how the details are stored. As you can see, the details of the recently completed contract are stored in their respective columns, along with the agreement used in the Zap creation. With this automation in place, I can easily track and manage all completed documents. That summarizes how to store the details of the BoldSign completed documents automatically in Airtable using Zapier. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.